Hi guys, my name is Maithili Hule and today's our presentation topic is V model means verification and validation model. Today we discuss some contents of V model, that is introduction, objectives, V model diagram, phases of V model, advantages, disadvantages, comparison between V model and waterfall model and its conclusion. Introduction of V model. The V model or verification model and validation model is a software development method that focuses on testing at each stage to ensure quality. Shaped like a V, it shows development phases on the left side and matching testing phases on the right side. This sets up helps catch issues early, lowering the chance of costly fixes later. Verification checks if each step is done right based on requirement and design. This includes tasks like requirement analysis and system design. Validation confirms that the finished product work as expected for the user by running detailed tests at the end. This is the diagram of V model. This diagram is divided into two phases, that is verification and validation. The main phases of V model is verification and validation. Verification phase includes requirement, system design, high level design, low level design and coding. Validation includes unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. First, we learn about verification phases. Requirement analysis. Understand and document what the user needs from the system. System design. Plan how the system will be structured, including hardware and software component. High level design. Design the major parts of system and how they will work together. Low level design. Design each part of the system in detail, including how it will work and what it will do. Coding. Write the actual code based on the detailed design. Validation phases. Unit testing. Checks small parts of the software to make sure they work correctly. It happens right after coding. Integration testing. Test how different parts of the software work together. This comes after unit testing, focusing on connection between modules. System testing. Test the whole system to ensure it works as a complete solution and meets the requirement. This happens after integration testing. Acceptance testing. Make sure the software meets the user's need and business goals. This is the final phase before the software is released. Advantages of V model. Early defect detection. Testing early in the process helps find problems before they grow bigger. Clear structure. The process is organized and easy to follow. Improve quality. Regular testing helps maintain high quality throughout development. Cost efficiency. Catching issues early reduces the cost of fixing them later. Easy to manage. The process is easy to plan and track progress. Best for stable requirement. Work well for projects with little change in needs. High reliability. Testing at every stage ensures the final product is dependable. Disadvantages of V model. Inflexibility. Hard to change requirement once the process starts. High dependency on requirement. Only works well if the requirements are clear and stable from the beginning. Limited irritation. No change to adjust or get feedback once a phase is completed. Not ideal for complex or long projects. It's not flexible enough for large or changing projects. Late prototype development. You don't get a working model until later, which delays feedback. Higher initial planning needs require a lot of planning before starting, which can take time. The conclusion of this presentation is high confidence of the customer is required for choosing the V-shaped model approach since no prototypes are produced. There is a very high risk involved in meeting expectations. Thank you for your time and attention for listening me.